And some breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has invited Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar to come to court and explain the implementation of the electric vehicle scheme. The Chief Justice thus clarified that they are not ordering the minister to, or it's not a summons, but they only want to hear him out. My colleague Meenakshi joins me on the phone line with more details. Meenakshi, just give us a context of what exactly the Supreme Court was hearing and the background to which they've asked the minister to come. It's rather unusual, though just to clarify here, it's not an order summoning him.
Well, yes, absolutely. You see, that is of utmost importance, and it is not a common occurrence, and that is the reason we are bringing to our viewers this interface that happened in the Supreme Court today between the Chief Justice of India, as a matter of fact, and also the law officer ASG Nadkarni, who was making a representation. The Supreme Court has shown inclination to invite a union minister for the purpose of holding discussion and understanding better the aspect of implementation of electric vehicles. Honorable Chief Justice of India was of the opinion, since so many statements have been issued by the minister concerned pertaining to electric vehicles, it is only fair that the Supreme Court tries to understand about the implementation of such vehicles on ground in real life. However, like you rightly mentioned, the ASG, who is the law officer here, we're talking about ASG Nadkarni, who was making representation, said that this would set a lot of eyebrows frowning, because it could be used by political rivals for politics purpose if a union minister came to the court to explain the stand of the union pertaining to electric vehicles, to which we heard this clarification come back from Honorable Chief Justice of India, where he said it is being made abundantly clear that the Supreme Court is not indicting or ordering or even summoning the union minister. It is merely an invitation where the Supreme Court is expressing an inclination to better understand these policies.
Meenakshi, is there any word, though, whether the minister is going to make an appearance?
Well, Lati, this is early days yet. As you can imagine, the matter was happening in the Supreme Court just 30 or so minutes back. We are yet to hear from the minister concerned about how he is perceiving all these events. But remember, since this is not in the form of an order or summoning from the Supreme Court, one would imagine that the law officers, who are the top legal representatives of the union, be that Additional Solicitor General, or on several occasions we have seen solicitor also make representations in high-stake matters, they would try to assuage the concerns of the court going forward with respect to this issue.
Meenakshi, thanks so much for joining us. Rather unusual, though, just to clarify, as Meenakshi was saying, the minister has not been ordered to make an appearance, but just merely invited to put his point of view across.